If your AirPods 4th generation have low call volume during meetings in Microsoft Teams, the problem is usually related to audio settings, noise control configuration, or Bluetooth device selection. Since AirPods use different audio profiles for calls and media, Teams may automatically switch to a lower quality microphone or speaker profile, causing the volume to sound quiet during meetings. Try these. 1. Select the correct audio device in Teams. Open Teams, then Settings, then Devices, then choose AirPods as both the speaker and microphone. 2. Check System Sound Settings. In your computer's sound settings, set the AirPods as the default input and output device before opening Teams. 3. Adjust noise control settings. Toggle between active noise cancellation, transparency, or off to see which mode gives clearer call audio. 4. Reconnect your AirPods. Place the AirPods in the case for about 10 seconds, reconnect them through Bluetooth, then restart Teams. 5. Reset the AirPods if needed. Put them in the case, open the lid, and hold the setup button until the light flashes amber, then white.